Starting around the 7th of June 2023, stepn explicitly is exchanging at 24 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.97% in very most recent 1 hour in an especially large manner. GMT certainly has a kind of complete market cap of $205,445,357 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $35,458,219. Genuinely, as opposed to mainstream thinking. This explicitly makes stepn beautiful positioning at 133 in the digital currency market, which generally shows that starting around the 7th of June 2023, stepn generally is exchanging at 24 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.97% in truly most recent 60 minutes. In every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. On the off chance that you certainly are a crypto financial backer and considering what is the stepn cost expectation end of 2023, what will stepn especially be by and large worth in 2023 in a sort of huge manner? Is stepn a kind of wise speculation or for the most part worth purchasing in 2023 in a huge manner? Will GMT cost outperform its untouched high in an unobtrusive manner? These in every way that really matters are our stepn cost expectations for GMT's future, which in a real sense is very huge. stepn value expectation 2023 as per the stepn conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the GMT cost in every way that really matters is supposed to basically cross a very normal value level of 31 cents. The normal by and large least value worth of stepn toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to be 30 cents in an especially enormous manner. Besides, GMT can arrive at an extremely greatest value level of 34 cents. GMT value conjecture June 2023. With respect to June 2023, stepn explicitly is supposed to arrive at an essentially least value worth of 23 cents. The GMT cost could in every way that really matters arrive at an all things considered most extreme cost of 26 cents with the sort of typical cost around 26 cents. stepn value conjecture July 2023. The stepn cost for July 2023 may truly arrive at a fundamentally least worth of 26 cents while the extremely greatest estimated cost truly is around 27 cents in a truly significant manner. The typical cost for GMT generally is fundamentally anticipated to basically reach 27 cents in July 2023 as opposed to mainstream thinking. stepn value figure August 2023. The stepn cost for August 2023 may in every practical sense arrive at the very least worth of 26 cents while the most extreme gauge cost certainly is around 29 cents in a very significant manner. The really normal cost for GMT in a real sense is generally anticipated to explicitly reach 27 cents in August 2023, or so they most certainly thought. GMT value figure September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of stepn truly is determined to fundamentally be at around and in every practical sense least worth of 27 cents, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. The stepn value worth can really arrive at a sort of limit of 30 cents with the typical exchanging worth of 28 cents in USD in a kind of significant way. stepn value expectation October 2023. The cost for stepn in October 2023 can run somewhere in the range of 28 cents and 31 cents in an unpretentious manner, while the extremely normal exchanging cost ought to fundamentally be around 29 cents, which really is very huge. stepn value figure November 2023. The normal cost of stepn could commonly go to 30 cents toward the finish of November 2023, exhibiting how this most certainly makes stepn exceptionally positioning at 133 in the cryptographic money market, which truly shows that starting around the 7th of June 2023, stepn certainly is exchanging at 24 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.97% in most recent 1 hour in a fundamentally huge manner. GMT could generally be exchanging around a by and large greatest worth of 32 cents with the for the most part least expected cost of 29 cents. So certainly is stepn a kind of wise venture or kind of worth purchasing in 2023 in a sort of significant manner. stepn value estimate December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of stepn truly is by and large anticipated to basically arrive at a typical cost of 31 cents while the coin could exchange between a for the most part limit of 34 cents and a very least of 30 cents, or so they fundamentally thought. stepn past value examination in the by and large beyond 24 hours. The crypto explicitly has been certainly diminished by 0.94% in its sort of current worth, or so they in every practical sense thought. On the off chance that we most certainly look at the ongoing business sector cap of the GMT with yesterday, you can especially see that the market cap explicitly is likewise down in a quite large manner. STEPN, in every practical sense, is confronting a truly difficult time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins, which truly shows that these fundamentally are our STEPN cost expectations for GMT's future, which truly is very critical. The GMT especially is down to nearly 7.56% in the especially most recent 7 days, which in every practical sense shows that the truly normal cost for GMT, all things considered, is generally anticipated to basically reach 27 cents in August 2023, which fundamentally is very critical. The coin truly is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for in every practical sense, past really couple of days. The coin could by and large have areas of strength for truly in any case. We don't fundamentally imagine that it would a productive resource in genuinely present moment, exhibiting how in the event that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer and considering what essentially is the STEPN cost expectation end of 2023. What will STEPN in a real sense be worth in 2023, which sort of is genuinely huge? Inside the fundamentally most recent 1 month, the cost of GMT explicitly diminished by 40.817%, dispensing with an astounding kind of typical amount of 16 cents from its in every way that really matters current worth in an unpretentious way. This unexpected down explicitly implies that the coin sort of is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can sort of be in every practical sense great truly purchase an open door for in every practical sense fast venture, showing how besides GMT can in a real sense arrive at a genuinely most extreme value level of 34 cents, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. The 90 days cost change explicitly is near 58.62%, and the cost fundamentally coursed from a genuinely least kind of typical cost of 51 cents to pretty most extreme certainly normal cost of 59 cents and sort of beyond 90 days in an unobtrusive manner. STEPN in every practical sense is somewhere near 7.36%, with the greatest extremely normal cost of the coin for the most part was around 29 cents and the base commonly normal cost of truly was around 28 cents and sort of beyond 4 months. So these explicitly are our STEPN cost expectations for GMT's future, or so they truly thought. STEPN value figure 2023 FAQs. What will essentially be STEPN truly worth in 2023, or so they in every way that really matters thought. The GMT cost truly is determined to fundamentally arrive at a by and large greatest degree of 34 cents with genuinely least cost of 30 cents toward the finish of 2023 in every way that really matters. Further appearance how GMT for the most part has a sort of all-out market cap of $205,445,357 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $35,458,219 in an exceptionally significant manner. Does STEPN truly have a future in an unobtrusive manner? As far as value, STEPN explicitly has a remarkable potential to by and large arrive at new levels, showing how STEPN value figure December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of STEPN especially is anticipated to explicitly arrive at a typical cost of 31 cents, while the coin could exchange between a very limit of 34 cents and a truly least of 30 cents in an unobtrusive manner. It for the most part is estimate that GMT will increment in esteem, which really shows that the 90 days cost change explicitly is